Hello everyone, I'm here and today I'm going to be showing the visualization that I created. So today I did a visualization on the air quality index in the city of Delhi from the year 2015 to 19. Air quality is a critical environment issue, and one of the factors to measure how healthy an air is using the air quality index. The higher the value of air quality index, more polluted the air is. So I did a visualization for the city of Delhi from 2015 to 19, as Delhi has been suffering from one of the worst quality of air pollution. So in my visualization, some of the hypotheses that I used for it, one was that the air quality has been deteriorating significantly over the years and it has exceeded the safety limit of 50 since the number of industries and the number of cars on the roads have increased over the years. For this, I will need enough data for the air quality index. I need to read through the data and calculate the average air quality for each year. And in terms of visualization, the best idiom for this could be a line chart. The second hypothesis could be that the air quality, the AQI, was recorded highest in the months of November and December. And one of the reasons that could be attributed to this is the high usage of fossil fuels and the burning of crop residues in the neighboring state. Uh, for this, I'll need some data for the AQI from 2015 to 19. I need to iterate through this data and take the average. And the visualization or the idiom that I could use for this is also a line chart that could. And the target audience for this visualization was could be the general public, the students, commuters, or the residents of Delhi who want to look at it for their awareness. Second could be environmental activists and NGOs. This could be helpful for them, for the NGOs to take actions and formulate strategies for it. Third could be for policymakers and government officials. This visualization could be most useful for them because they can work accordingly. They can form strategies to handle the air pollution. Fourth could be for researchers and academicians who are studying the air pollution and working in the field of public safety and health. And third could be tourists and travelers, the tourists and travelers who like for visiting Delhi and would like to see that which months are more safe to visit Delhi. So these are some of the audience that from a point this would be useful. For data abstraction part, the data set type here is the table. The attributes that we used are the year, month, and the average AQI year. And the task abstraction for here first is the analyze the trends of air quality index for the years 2015 to 2019. And the second task is to summarize the distribution of AQI from year 2015 to 2019. So for the marks and channels, the marks that I use here is line, and the channel that I use here is the position. So position for this channel satisfies both expressiveness and effectiveness principle. Both the task was the given attributes are quantitative. The average AQI is the quantitative and can be best represented using a line chart as I want to analyze the trends. Second, the effectiveness and the best way to able to analyze the average AQI for the years and months is by using the positions. So I'll show you my visualization. So this is the 22 idioms that I selected. The first one is for the year and versus the AQI. Here you can see the year from 2015 to 2019, and this is the average AQI value for all those years. And this one is an AQI, average AQI versus month. Here you can select the for any year that you want to look at it. So I select 2018, I can get an AQI versus month visualization for the year 2018. So my insights from this too are first is Delhi saw a significant drop in the AQI from year 2015 to 2019, which is contradicting to what I was assuming, because it means that air quality in Delhi has improved significantly from the last 4 years, because many measures have been taken by the government of Delhi. So the AQI has decreased significantly. It's decreased almost by 40% because it was nearly 300 in 2015, and while it reached 2019, it was around 2230. The second insights could be the month of July and this, from July to September has the lowest value of AQ, average AQI, which means the July and September is the healthiest quality of air. But In every year from 2015 to 2019, there has been a sudden spike from September to October. So after September, the AQI increased significantly in almost every year, and the months of November, December, and January recorded the highest AQI. So the air quality was the most harmful in the months of November, December, and January. I did some exploration part here is I did a heat map. This heat map could show you a month versus the time. So this is a 24-hour time, and for an average AQI for each month here, you can see that in each month at what time the average what was the average AQI, and here you can see that the month of July, August, September had the lowest AQI, while the month of November, December, and January had the highest AQI, and you can select the year from that for which year you want to see the data. Second was I did some visualization on the daily data of an AQI. So if I select here the year and the month, uh, so I can get a visualization, a chart on AQI versus for each day. So you can see on the first day of April 2016, this was the AQI value. This was giving me some kind of a distribution here. I also did an hourly AQI because if you select here the year, the month, and the day for which you want to see, you can get an AQI for each hour for the 24-hour format. Lastly, I did some data processing so that I could fit all of my data in the ETFs I want. This is some of the functions that I wrote to filter the data. And that was it from my side. Thank you.